Hello and welcome to Pinkstone's Toyota. I'm just going to give you a quick video walk around of this Corolla Hybrid XL 1.8 litre engine finished in scarlet flare with the black bitone roof. The car has only had 2 previous owners. It's covered by a warranty until September 2024. With it being a hybrid, the transmission of this car is automatic. It's got a full service history, 2 keys, and is only £145 a year to tax. So nice interior with this. We do have partial leather seats as well. This nice red stitching as well to match the outside of the car. And in the back as well, loads of room in there. We've also got a rear centre armrest. Some rear parking sensors on this. And really deep boot. Really generous capacity. Colour really suits the car. Let's have a quick look inside. So we do have a sat-nav with this car. We've also got the hybrid system on the screen there. Got a digital radio, complete with the standard radio and Bluetooth, which you can use for phone calls or for your music. Dual zone climate control, heated seats at the front also. I've got automatic wipers and headlights. Really nice car. If you're interested in it, or you want us to make a personalised video for you, please contact our used car sales department. Thank you for watching.